Good equipment deals of a 2006 KUBOTA RTV900. Got 2,100 hours. I'm going to do a quick walk around video, show you the tire depth, engine running, stuff like that. See the tires have got pretty good tread. Seats not ripped or torn. Rear tires are pretty new and pliable, and they've got pretty good decent tread as well. That's a 4x4 KUBOTA unit. It does have a hydraulic dump bed. It's not electric, it's actually hydraulic. So you have to have the engine running to be able to lift the bed. Same here in the rear. And on this side as well, this is pretty clean. The seat's not torn. It does have a canopy that goes with it. None of the plastics up here are broken. Nothing sun faded. It's been stored inside for quite a while. Go ahead and demonstrate the back feel here. As you can see, it seems to all run well and work well. Now, one thing that most of these machines don't come with is a steel plate bottom in the bed here, and this is a steel plate trunk. And the same here on this interior as well. Go ahead and show you the hours. 2,144.2 hours, and that meter is still turning, so that's an accurate reading. Also has the front bumper up here. Again, this will be selling at Equipment Deals, 2006 KUBOTA RTV900.